Now we're going to laminate iPhone 11 front glass with OCA. This is our sinking green 11 mode. This mode can also use for iPhone XR. First, let's clean our black mat with alcohol. This is iPhone 11 OCA sheet. And this is our sinking new lamination machine. It's very easy to alignment OCA sheet with our iPhone 11 mode. Just put inside. This is the front glass. We need to clean the front glass before laminate. Okay. Let's put inside our lamination machine. Okay, first we change it to English language. Here are 4 preset settings. The first one for flat OCA and flat LCD, Edge OCA, Edge LCD. You can just choose these 4 to laminate. It's very easy to cooperate for freshmen to operate when you laminate. Okay, it finished it. Let's open it and check the result. It's perfect and there is no bubbles.